Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday. It's cold in Shingle Spring, so I light the fireplace. It's real wood and it's getting warm right now. And Kobe wants to play. It's early in the morning and Kobe wants to play, and he's following me all over the place. Right, Cobb? And if you have leftover banana and it's ripe, very ripe, don't throw it away. Make banana bread out of it. I'll show you in a little bit. Here is my banana bread mixture. I put five eggs, 2 cups of flour, 3 bananas, a teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 sugar. Did I say a stick of butter? I will list down all the ingredients later. We'll see what happens. Hope it tastes good. Here is the banana bread. It's browning now, and I'll leave it there for another 5 more minutes, and then I'll try to taste it and see. Here is the banana bread. Looks good, and see if this tastes good. The result of the banana bread is really good. It's moist, perfectly brown. It smells good. Even Kobe loves to eat it. So cheers to you, my friends. You have leftover bananas, put in the freezer and don't throw it away, and you can bake it anytime you like.